Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you're going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto my channel, guys. And as get some, what is my English doing? Namhlanje. I think maybe it's because I just woke up. Yes, guys. I just wanted to talk about this buffet too. I see. I've just I was on Twitter and I saw which Unaledi is trending. If you do not know who is Unaledi, Unaledi is the girl that Chris Brown sampled on his song Ishuta. This is the girl. Guys, the shooting she was booked, if I'm not mistaken, because I did not see her on the poster that you're about to see right now, nor did I see her name being mentioned on the list of performers who are going to perform. But however, I think she fell under Ubenimo. In terms of shooting, they had a lot of people who are going to come and perform, and yeah, so check out this poster and then we'll talk. Okay, guys, you're not going to help me if you'll see her anyway, because I did. I looked as born. But however, I then saw the name of that event is called Mtandeni Summer Experience, and Mtandeni is this guy. So I just took it. I do not know if that's Vele Vele, he's the one, or Umpati Wayo, that whole event. But then I just then saw this video of Umtandeni giving her a hug. I don't know if it was before or after the whole thing, but then check out this video and then we'll still talk. So guys, yeah, uh, then this happened. You know, a lot of people, they saw that video or those clips. A lot of people do not see the other clip that I'm about to play, that you will see. What really happened I was also not there, but this is the clip that shows what happened. Unfortunately, I cannot put in the sound because I'm a copyright and stuff like that. You understand? So the whole idea of people having to throw bottles and throw things kumuntu angazi ngizothi njani mina bafethu, futhi ingcono vele ngikhulume kahle le video vele nje ngesiZulu, angazi, angifuni ukuqamba amanga ukuthi isibini nisithatha up, and abantu laba badala abantu abalapha, yes, they can also be ingane ezikhona khona laphana, but angazi angazi ngizothini mina bafethu. What if nimshayile walimala, but vele bekuyinhloso vele leyo, that was the purpose yokuthi vele befuna ukumshaya alimale. Nimbangisa ini kanje? Nimbangisa ini? Yes, omunye ngasho ukuthi no, we did that to try and get the attention of abantu or the people who are hosting the event and stuff like that. But nimbangisa ini? To a point ukuthi nize nifuna ukumshaya nimlimaze. Vele nibheke ukuthi kwenzakaleni bafethu. Check out lama video lawo. So after seeing those videos, ukuthi kahle kahle what happened? Who is at fault here? Angifuna ukuqamba bang. I also was like, hayibo kahle kahle what happened? But not did I even at one point did I justify le nto abayenzile ukuthi bemshaya ngebottle. Angaze ngikwenze lokho, and I'm not going to do that. But even with Ukajeni who was performing, this is Ukajeni. It was wrong for the DJ or laba or stage manager, because I see everyone is busy talking about the stage manager, nabo DJ. Those people, those guys who came and went and spoke to the DJ and then changed the song while Ukajen was also performing, that was wrong. That was wrong kakhulu futhi. Because as you saw, kule video le yabo Ukajen, when those guys came in before the song was changed, unfortunately you can't hear the lentuzan, the sound. When that guy was still performing, the guys were shocked. They were like, "Hey, but what's going on? We are still performing. We're still busy." And as you saw, even those guys, Okachen, he was not even angry at Ulentuzana Ukiel when she walked in between them. Yeah. Yeah, well, if this was Abo Beyond, Abo Jay-Z, that DJ or event organizer was never going to host another gig ever again. Ever again. Honestly speaking, I do not want to lie. You know, when I've also performed now a few times. When you are invited to come and perform, and then you hear your song performing or playing. Maybe you are told, but after these guys who are performing, you are going to go in, you are going to step on stage and start performing. Once you start hearing your song, or you are told to go on stage, you do that. You do that. I'm not too busy. I'll say allegedly because, as I said, I did not see any invitation. But angithi usuke busy ukuthi ucele uzo perform. You do that. Now, next thing you get on stage and then people start throwing bottles, go and you see abantu besamile lapha stage. Kogunye, you do not really know now, Guti, are these people done, or you just do not know whether you're just there to do your job and then after that you go home. They definitely did Ukacheni dirty, those people. And the sad thing, Umtandeni did not say anything with regards to this whole thing. He's just posting ukuthi bekumnandi, bekunjani, abantu abangaka, kuphi stadium. He's not even akanandaba. You can just tell. But however, Kacheni, this is the post that he posted. And this is the video. I did a screen record showing Abom Tandeni and everyone else with everyone. Which no one was just concerned or anything like that about her. The only thing that was with it, they just said Ukishe ungama bodlela ulone a performer. As you saw, I also posted some of ama comments that people made with regards to the whole event. The guy even apologized. Okay, he did not apologize, but he did say good he does not want or wish anyone to get hurt. Ngenxa yakhe. Umthandani said nothing. Absolutely nothing. Angazi noma nina khona nikubonile. So guys, ni wrong okay. Ha ni wrong okay Natal. Emdletsheni ni wrong. Ni wrong. Omunye uzowasho wathi izinje zase ladies house. Hey, angifuni ukufakaza ngoba bazosuke beze kimi. But ni wrong okay. Abanye nihlulwe yey. Cha nikhona ke. Fuka up ingane yabantu umona nje. Nomona ukhona as. Yes, beku wrong the way benze ngakhona. But nina isidingo sokuthi nize nani nenze kanje. Bese ingekho ke. Yes, bese ingekho. And this buffet, this is not Nadeli's fault. And ngiyamvuma girl with the fact that even after seeing what was happening, she did try to put on a performance for y'all. Unaleda akekho wrong la. Ugatsheni akekho wrong la. Nina ke ni wrong, no DJ. Or nalabantu who came in or stage manager, whoever those guys were, ni wrong. And also Mthandeni is also wrong now. If he is the one who is hosting that event and he did not come out and say anything and no Kazulu or whatever, he is definitely wrong. Nor did he even post anything. He is wrong. Period. Tell me what you think about this whole thing down below. This girl, I pray Guti she keeps on killing it, and Gulugulam says she also gets to 11 Yabo Tyler and even surpass them or whatever. But I hope she does kill it and never let this kill her or stop her. She must keep on thriving and killing it, because people are just going to be like this. Some people. Me, I do not want to lie. Isn't this ganje? Guys, yegani ubuqaba. Yegani ubuqaba.